You're watching EDS TV. In bad areas, sometimes they'll do this with a stolen car and purposely hit a nice car. They want you to follow them and then they might try and rob you. Stay vigilant out there, folks. She didn't have the green light or the equivalent of a walk sign, but the camera did. He handled the situation really well. She thought she was in the clear and then tried to go for it. It was a great reaction time on the camera's part. I'd want to see the moments leading up to this to see if that car snuck in there improperly before I come to any judgments. The smarmy, smiling sorry tells me that he knew exactly what he was doing, which kind of got under my skin, to be honest with you. Yeah, their front left tire is toast at the very least. They likely also have some damage to the suspension also. He would have made it if he had just committed. How much of a buffoon do you have to be to just change lanes without even considering anyone else being there? Was it an illegal overtake? Yes. Did they cut the camera off? Likely not. They were probably running from the cop that the camera didn't move to the right lane for. This video should follow this person's driver's license for evidence to be used against them in the future when and if they cause a traffic fatality. I'm sorry that happened, but at least the camera damaged their driver's side tire so they can't just drive off. It's hard to tell what kind of turn they wanted to make, a left turn across the highway or a U-turn onto the highway. I guess the world will never know. This is why you don't floor it and always look both ways even with a green light. Erratic driving? Check. Suspended license? Check. Uninsured? Check. With that note, I'm glad that everyone involved was okay. I never understood why drivers pull out in front of very large vehicles that could crush them like a beer can. Is it because they can't be bothered to pull in behind and pass it a few blocks down the road? That guy was driving like he stole the truck and had a body in the back. I don't think the cop was chasing him for driving like a maniac. I think he was driving like a maniac because the cop was chasing him. View blocked? Just assume it's clear and don't recheck. Problem solved, am I right?
Shouldn't say comments aloud too much. Because then they're just it's gonna validate. What is this?
To me, this looks like someone misjudged their car's turning radius. An expensive lesson to learn for sure. I hope the traffic island taught that idiot an expensive lesson. Moreover, thank God the camera's driving is better than those subs. I'm impressed by the truck driver because I'd be laughing too hard to keep it straight. If only there was another exit 30 seconds ahead. I can't stand when people do this. There's a turning lane literally right there. Maybe sleeping, maybe phone, maybe it's Maybelline. We may never know.
Yo, only in New York you see some shit like this. Niggas towing another bike with another bike. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Niggas towed a bike with another bike.
I truly feel like New York City is a modern third world country in a city. Towing the bike ain't even the crazy part. Towing the bike on the bike with the driver of the towed bike hanging off the back of the tower bike is bananas. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.